welcome to another video. Alright guys, so this look right here, let me give you a second. Alright guys, so this look right here is a 90s dancehall makeup. So let me just talk about the main points. Glitter on the eyes, had to do it. It's not 90s unless you have glitter. Big hoop, door knockers, whatever you want to call them, had to do it. Not 90s without door knockers. And it's not dancehall, it's not Jamaica, it's not without the black, green and gold. We got it. Yes. And last but not least, I had to incorporate the lips. So we know back in the 90s they loved to do like black lip liners with the red lips, but we know we had to revamp that because that's not so cute with the harsh lines. So I did an ombre. I did some ombre lips for y'all. Like I'm ready for a 90s party. Like I know it's a COVID there, but like I'm ready for a party. Like no party I keep like let me give you another second. And in the pictures I did put my nose is not pierced, so I had a very hard time, but I had to do it for you guys to incorporate the nose ring. Nose ring was a big thing back in the 90s, but my nose is not pierced. So but you got that, and you can see that on my thumbnail. So yeah guys, stay tuned for the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel guys. Come on, I've been giving you great content, and yeah. Alright guys, so starting off, I'm going to, my lips are already primed, my eyebrows already done off camera, and yeah, I'm going to start off with black as my first shade, and I'm going to put this in my outer crease area. This is to achieve a smoky eye look. So, there we go. Alright, now that the black is done, I'm going to actually put a little bit of a rusty brown, so it's kind of a reddish brownish look. Eyeshadow, I'm going to put that approaching my inner crease section as well as around the black to kind of blend it a bit. So now that I've added both my reddish brown and my black, I'm going to follow up now with a little bit of yellow. Right guys, now I'm going to do my semi-cut crease, and yeah. I'm going to darken up the black that I had here. Now guys, I'm actually going to put gold, and I'm actually going to use my highlight color from my Black Radiance palette. That's what I'm going to use as my gold. So to me, 90s makeup, 90s dancehall makeup was all about glitter, all about gold, all about colors. So you know we're gonna have glitter, you know we're gonna have gold. Right away, what I'm going to do is to blend in the black liner with my black smoky eye that I have out there, so that you know it blends basically. But I don't want it to dry before I start blending, so you don't see a harsh line up when the liner stops and when my smoky eye begins. Alright guys, so face done. Like, look at this nose contour. Like, look at this nose contour, guys. Like, alright guys, so I'm gonna do my eyes. I decided to just do a simple or dramatic smoky eye. So I'm gonna line it with the black pencil. I'm gonna line my eyes. Alright, to follow up, you know, I'm not going over that. To follow up with this, I'm going to use my black eyeshadow and just kind of smoke it out a little bit more. And guys, if you can see the difference. Look at this one that I smoked out. And then look at this one that I just put the eyeliner underneath it and left it. So my face is almost done. I am now going to get my lips done. Alright, so for the 90s or for 90s dancehall, I know it was big in the 90s for you to line your lips with a black lipstick, a black liner, and then go over it with a red lipstick. So I'm going to do a more modern version of that, but still trying to keep the authentic 90s look in it.
Sing.